Happy definition is wealth and enough livings. There's much money and rich, that is happy. This is old definitions. Now I will try to new definitions of happy is soul excitement and body healthful excitement. This is happy new definitions. Happy is living excitement. Happy is soul excitement of getting creationable knowledge and righteous soul living energy gettings, but also body excitement with eating excitement, playing excitement. Yes, it is. Happy is happy virus. Happy New Year. Happy is really of blessing expressions, blessed expressions. Safe, wealth, health, living is happy. Happy terms used with family and husband, wife, and children's. The family with happy family is really core key words. Some philosophers ask us, why are we living? The general answer is to be happy. Yes. This is, happy new definitions. Just like material is miraculous atom nucleus, the same as the human being soul and body, so that to be fully excitement is soul excitement, body excitement, correlative to with to be happy. If a happy person's soul excitement, body excitement. Soul excitement is silence and clear of creationable knowledge is a soul excitement. Body excitement is tasteful and meat and food, eating, the solving body's just problem solvings, and also body play, body health, body run, body behavior. This is body condition is best, that is body excitement. Yes, this is very simple, but I'm trying to give happy new definitions. Happy new definition is happy equal soul excitement plus body excitement. Thank you very much.